Reporting from the newsroom.
Reporting from the newsroom.
Reporting from the news. Reporting from the news.
Reporting from the newsroom in Champaign, I'm Evan Kurland, and this is the Daily Illini vidcast for Wednesday, April 3rd. With less high-achieving high school students applying to the nation's most competitive universities nationwide, Champaign-Urbana is becoming more of a desired campus for in-state students. According to a recent Brookings Institute study, low-income students who excel in the classroom are spurning prestigious schools due to its financial burden. The university has started working with the Illinois Student Assistance Commission, which helps those at or below the poverty line to come to the university for no out-of-pocket expenses. The Common Ground Food Market Cooperative is getting a makeover. The city of Urbana distributed almost $50,000 to 23 individuals and organizations to make this project possible. By May 23rd, a gallery of local artwork will be installed to spice up the place, where many customers use the classrooms to learn about healthy and affordable eating or eat from the cafe inside the store. University students were each charged with 2 counts of unlawful possessions of a controlled substance with an intent to deliver on school grounds. 2 roommates who live on South 4th Street were arrested around 7 p.m. where police found 250 grams of cannabis and almost 4.5 grams of psychedelic mushrooms. Bond for the 2 in custody was $5,000 for each, and their next appearance in court will be on May 7th to submit their pleas. This issue's Illini of the Week is on a tear in the batter's box. Justin Parr, a senior transfer from Parkland Community College, is currently leading his team in hits, RBIs, slugging percentage, and extra base hits. To top off an already impressive stat line, Parr is currently riding a career-high 12-game hitting streak and has hit in 22 of Illinois' 24 games this season. The Illini softball team has had a struggling season so far. Being 6 games below 500 and with a losing record in conference play, the Illini are hoping to rebound against Indiana State, where an inexperienced pitching staff will provide the opportunity to score runs, which has plagued the offense so far this season, along with committing errors in the field. One statistic the softball team leads is walks given up in conference play, which needs to change if the Illini want to have a winning record. While the sun might be out, it isn't quite spring yet, as temperatures are expecting to reach a high of 49 with a low of 30. For the Daily Illini, I'm Evan Kurland.